Tree banking. Once basic morphosyntactic categories have been identified in a text, we can then bring these categories into higher level syntactic relationship with one another. The procedure for doing this is generally known as parsing. Parsing is probably the most commonly encountered form of annotation after part-of-speech tagging. Consider the sentence below. Claudia sat on a stool. The annotation which shows the syntactic relationship of the words with each other and within the sentence is called tree banking. Each sentence constituent is made up of a square bracket, an open square bracket, and then capital letters annotation to show which syntactic constituent it is, and at the other end we have a closed square bracket and the name of the constituent again just inside. So this example shows that the whole sentence is made up of the noun phrase Claudia and the verb phrase sat on a stool. The verb phrase in turn is made up of the word sat plus the prepositional phrase on a stool. Finally, the prepositional phrase is made up of the word on plus the noun phrase a stool. Semantic tagging assigns a meaning code to each word in the corpus. So here the raw text comes from the New Testament. And the soldiers plaited a crown of thorns and put it on his head. This example uses the code's 8 zeros for low content words. So words like and the and of have grammatical function, they're called function words, but it's the words like soldiers and crown and plaited which have 8 digits of non-zero codes. And we can see that the special code for soldiers, which reflects its content, refers to war and conflict. The code for plaited refers to object-oriented physical activity. The code for crown is the code for headgear. The code for thorns is the code for plant life. And the code number for head, 2103-0000, is the code for the body or body parts.